Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my professional learning proposal of collaboration and co-teaching and maximizing student outcomes through inclusive best practices. So our learning objective is that the participating faculty and staff will understand and be able to implement inclusive, collaborative, and co-teaching practices. The indicators for this topic proposal was some observed lack of encouraged contributions from families, parents, and students in the IEP process, some feedback from parental participation questionnaires, the ambiguity of some roles in EIP meetings, RTI processes, and data collection, voiced frustration between teachers that typically work collaboratively, and the observed misuse of faculty and staff in co-taught classrooms. So my intended audience is the faculty and staff that will serve or serve in co-teaching partnerships, faculty and staff that are interested in collaboration and co-teaching, as well as faculty and staff that serve in collaborative capacities such as support programs, RTI committees, and lead EIP meetings. So some session topics include co-teaching how and why, roles and contributions of students and families, roles and responsibilities of faculty and staff, co-teaching structures such as duet teaching, which is what I will detail today as my detailed lesson. One teach, one assist, one teach, one observe, one teach, one assess, station and parallel teaching, as well as a reflection or a follow-up session. So today my detailed lesson is on duet teaching. You'll see here's the agenda. So this is officially going to be served in the capacity of a PLC, which will meet once a month. We'll begin with the big understanding that duet teaching is a structure of co-teaching when instructional lesson is designed by partnered co-teachers that take turns delivering various components of a lesson to maximize student outcomes. And this is what we want the audience, the faculty, and staff to understand collectively at the end of our session. The essential question that might be asked to gauge understanding is how and when should co-teachers incorporate duet teaching, and in what ways does duet teaching benefit students and teachers? They'll begin with a rattle reading, which is a short highlighted portion of an article that details some benefits of co-teaching. They should read the highlighted selection only. A mix and mingle activity, which serves as a way for faculty and staff to share ideas about what they think duet teaching is, when duet teaching structure should be used, and how duet teaching maximizes student outcomes. So after they share about their thoughts about what they think they know, we'll all collectively get back together and then share everyone's thoughts, or not everyone's, but some key thoughts that people are willing to volunteer out and share. So following that, they'll get to see some models of duet teaching of a primary age classroom, and then participate in what we call a walk around survey, which is a reflection of what they've seen in the video and what they're recalling co-teaching might look like, and some insight into this collaborative co-teaching inclusive classroom philosophy. So what they'll do is everyone will have a survey. You'll notice there are 9 grids. They'll swap papers, write one thing, and then papers again until 6 grids are filled up. Everyone, volunteers will share out at the end. Following that, middle grades math, duet teaching video will take place. Following that, chart paper will be given for teachers to brainstorm ideas about duet teaching and co-teaching, revolving around how, when, why, and who these practices should be used, followed by a ticket out the door, gauging where they are in their understanding based on these questions. On a sticky note anonymously, 1, not understanding at all, or 5, being ready to implement the structure. So assessments include surveys, reflection, sharing modeling, comparing, contrasting self-assessments, peer observation and feedback. And a follow-up plan to the PLP would be a school-wide co-teaching peer observation opportunity and follow-up peer co-teaching observation surveys. Okay, thanks so much.